best dual sport motorcycle for beginners. Kawasaki KLR650. For many, the allure of motorcycling lies in the promise of adventure, freedom, and the thrill of exploring diverse terrains. Dual sport motorcycles, designed to conquer both paved roads and off-road trails, are a gateway to a world of exploration and excitement. For beginners, choosing the right dual sport motorcycle is a critical decision that can profoundly impact their journey. The Kawasaki KLR650, celebrated for its legendary versatility, accessible power, and beginner-friendly attributes, emerges as the ultimate dual-sport motorcycle for those embarking on their off-road adventures. With its balanced performance, rugged design, and rider-focused features, the KLR650 provides an ideal platform for beginners to commence their journey of skill development, excitement, and dual-sport riding without feeling overwhelmed. Versatile performance for all terrains. The heart of the Kawasaki KLR650 is a robust 651cc single-cylinder engine, renowned for its versatility. This engine offers a harmonious blend of power and approachability, providing sufficient performance for on-road cruising and off-road exploration. Rugged design and off-road capability. The KLR650 boasts a rugged and purposeful design, featuring long travel suspension, wire-spoke wheels, and a high ground clearance. These elements make it capable of tackling dirt trails, gravel roads, and challenging off-road terrain with confidence. Comfortable ergonomics and adventure-focused layout. The KLR650 is designed with rider comfort on long journeys in mind. It offers a comfortable and upright riding position that ensures ease during extended rides and off-road adventures. The spacious seat, wide handlebars, and adjustable suspension contribute to a rider-focused setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and off-road prowess. The Kawasaki KLR650 is celebrated for its responsive handling and off-road capabilities. Its agile chassis and competent suspension make it easy for novice riders to confidently maneuver the bike in challenging conditions, whether it's rocky trails or muddy tracks. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety remains a top priority for beginner riders, and the KLR650 often comes equipped with features like a large windscreen, handguards, and an upright riding posture that enhance safety and rider confidence. These features instill trust in novice riders as they learn to master the art of dual-sport riding. Long-distance touring and exploration. The KLR650's versatility extends beyond off-road adventures. Novice riders can comfortably use it for long-distance touring, city commuting, and weekend getaways, making it a true all-in-one dual-sport motorcycle. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Kawasaki brand and the dual-sport lifestyle create a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Joining this community offers aspiring riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for off-road exploration and the KLR650's capabilities. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Kawasaki KLR650 encourages skill development as beginner riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their off-road riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of dual-sport riding. Cost-efficient adventure. The KLR650 is known for its affordability and cost-efficient ownership. It offers an excellent balance between price, performance, and capability, making it an ideal choice for those looking to embark on off-road adventures without breaking the bank. Variety to suit every rider. The KLR650 comes with various optional accessories and luggage options, allowing riders to customize the motorcycle to suit their individual needs. Whether it's equipping it for rugged off-road exploration or setting it up for comfortable long-distance touring, the KLR650 can be personalized to reflect the rider's adventure style. Conclusion. The Kawasaki KLR650 embodies the spirit of dual-sport riding and Kawasaki's commitment to providing the perfect dual-sport motorcycle for beginners. With its versatile performance, rugged design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the KLR650 offers an immersive gateway to the world of dual-sport riding without overwhelming novice riders. By choosing a Kawasaki KLR650 as their first motorcycle, beginners embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for adventure, exploration, and the thrill of conquering diverse terrains on two wheels.